In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Netflix error NW-2-5. Let's get started. First, check that your internet connection is working by opening another app or website on the same device. If your connection is slow, you can restart your modem and Wi-Fi router by unplugging them about for 30 seconds. Also, you can enable airplane mode and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, restart the device you are using to stream Netflix, whether it's a smart TV, streaming stick, game console, or Blu-ray player. If possible, connect your device directly to your router using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Next up, you should also make sure your device software and the Netflix app are updated. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for Netflix. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check for device software updates. So launch settings, go to general, go to software update. If any updates are available, just update it. Then you can head back. Check whether you are connected to any VPN or proxy. In case you are connected, you'll need to disable it, as these can interfere with Netflix connection. Some public Wi-Fi networks such as those in hotels, schools, or workplaces may also block streaming services, so try using a different network if available. After completing these steps, open Netflix again and check if the error has been resolved. If these solutions didn't work out for you, you can contact Netflix support team. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.